Are you looking for the best portable jump starters? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best portable jump starters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Clore Automotive JNC 325. The Jump and Carry JNC 325 is our choice for best overall portable jump starter. We were impressed by the 24-inch cable length, the ease of use, and solid specs all across the board. The JNC 325 features just 2 easy buttons: power and override. During our jump test, we did need to press the override button, and the jump starter started the vehicle after that with ease. It comes with a soft carrying case that can store the cables, jumper starter, and charging cords. The JNC 325 boasts enough power to start just about any consumer vehicle on the road, is compact enough to store in the trunk, and features the specs you need to jump a vehicle anywhere, anytime. That's why it's our pick for the best portable jump starter. Number 2. Stanley J5C09D Power Station. If you're looking for a power station to jump your vehicle and top off the tire pressure, we recommend the Stanley J5C09D. It's not as portable as some of the other jump starters in this list, but it's fantastic for storing in the garage for jumping multiple vehicles. The Stanley aced our jump test, starting the Eclipse without complaint. We were impressed with the easy-to-read control panel, nice clamps, and an adjustable light. The other attractive feature to a large power station like this is the included 120 psi air compressor, which can be used to fill tires, basketballs, or other inflatables. And with nearly 3 times the energy on board compared to our favorite portable unit, this do-it-all power station will jump just about anything in your garage. Number 3. NOCO Boost Plus GB40. Portability is a key aspect when buying a jump starter, and it doesn't get much more compact than the NOCO Boost Plus GB40. Weighing in at a measly 2 pounds, it's the smallest jump starter in our test overall. It's got decent power, an override button, an easy interface, and 2 work lights. It jumped our Eclipse once the override function was activated, but that one jump on a severely drained battery reduced the NOCO's capacity from full to just 25%. With this size comes a lack of power storage. Its 30 watt-hours is the lowest in our test group. However, NOCO does offer other, more capable units with as much as 3 times the energy on board. We wouldn't recommend banking on getting more than 1 or 2 jumps per charge with this. The leads are also extremely short, and the clamps are difficult to squeeze. But if you're short on space and want to have a portable jump starter around, this is the one to get. Number 4. Clore Automotive Jump and Carry JNC 770R. If you own a shop or a garage with a bunch of cars that don't care for cold morning starts, we believe the JNC 770R is the way to go. It's the simplest large jump starter to use thanks to its lack of a tire inflator function. It simply jump starts cars well and often. The thing we liked about the JNC 770 the most is the incredibly long leads and curved end clamps. This allows you to get at batteries that might be buried more than usual. The spill-proof lead-acid battery inside stores a wild amount of power. The 410 Wh it took to recharge was by far the highest in the test, which is why we recommend it for shops. However, it's expensive and quite heavy. We also noticed that it's not very stable. It tipped over while resting on the engine after starting it. But if you need a reliable jump starter with oodles of oomph, this is the one to get. Number 5. Avapow A28. The Avapow A28 boasts fantastic specs, high peak amperage and great energy storage. But unfortunately, it struggled in our jump test. When we hooked it up, it immediately displayed the standby light. Because of this, it wouldn't deliver power to the battery. We had to disconnect the leads, connect it to a known good battery to bypass the standby light, and then hook it back up to the Eclipse. After that, the car started up. But you can't have this happen in the real world, and that's why the Avapow is toward the bottom of our list.